You have back pain but scared to go to a chiropractor? I understand. My name is Dr. Igor. I'm a chiropractor in Kyle, Texas. Most people don't go to chiro because they think we have to crack your bones, but look at this adjustment. This is called a Pro Adjuster instrument. We do not need to crack your lower back bones. We don't have to twist you like a pretzel. It's just only one of these adjustments. You see that one, right? It's only one type. Now there's other types of adjustments. We treat your back gently. Sometimes we don't even have to crack it or push it too hard. Just let us know, because you don't have to be afraid to be treated. There are lots of techniques in chiropractic that can help with your lower back pain.